It's Dr. Mindy, Monmouth Pain and Rehab. We're going to show you an adjustment today with Gabe. All right, can you turn on your side for me? Just a bit. Bend your knee. Yeah. Good. Now, other side.
Oh, by the way, I love my screensaver. Thank you. I was hysterical.
Hands up for me. Slow down just a bit. He's not broken yet. We're working on it.
No, I'm gonna type this. I laugh every time, and then I'm just like,
Oh, it's fine. Okay.
No one's been on that all day.
Okay.
We have one more on your side, and then I'll work on you.
Nice deep breath. Exhale. Perfect. Go ahead and sit up. And that's it.